Hey guys, homesteading cheaper by the dozen. The orchard is, oh, look at these little guys. We got some bannies. This is the first chicks that we bought. They're getting up about the size of pullets. We hauled in yesterday a load of wood chips, a load of manure, and a little bit of lime over there. And boys we had to pull one post up to get the dump truck in. We have a road down below the orchard, but it was too wet to come up through there. Boys got everything smoothed up. All we lack is one little section of fence down at the bottom, and all we lack for clearing is this little corner. But I'm probably going to leave that growing up in weeds for a bit, just to give the chicken something to eat on for just a little bit while there's grass starting out here in the rest of the orchard. I'm not really sure with the chickens running in the orchard how easy it's going to be to get stuff growing or whatnot. But anyhow, getting our trees laid out. We're going to start off with, I think, 2 rows of peaches that'll run all the way up there. So we'll probably have 20 to 25 peaches. Then Mom wants a plum row, and then we'll start on apples and pears, cherries, and keep rolling from there. My boys got this last brush pile moved out of the way and pushed up to where we can burn it. Smoothed up this mess over here, and we've got just a little more blading to do to smooth everything off. Every time we get a free minute, we start the old tractor and try to run the blades around a little bit, and before long it's going to be smooth as pie. I think the boys have just finished the chicken wire up to this corner, and I'll show you what we did. We're gonna have to do some work at the back to I put some rocks or something down, but see, the neighbors already had a good fence up, so we just put chicken wire 3 foot high attached to all of it. So we got the chicken wire up at the back. They and Precious brought chickens out here. Let's see how they like it. We've got a little bit of room here where they can scratch and get some green stuff. Hopefully they'll eat all this poison ivy. I don't know if chickens eat poison ivy, but it'd be nice because it sure eats me. But there's the chicken wire going up 3 foot on the back, and then the boys got everything all the way around. All we lack is this little section. Come put them in the woods right here, girls, so they can start eating the ticks. Awesome. They can turn our ticks and our weeds into eggs. Yeah. So we got everything done except this section. Boys are cutting a big fat oak gate post that's gonna go up here, and then I think we're gonna have a row of blueberries all along the edge here, and then 1 row or 2 rows of peaches, 1 row of plums. We got 2 fig trees right there. We'll have a whole row of apples, whole row of pears, probably 2 rows each of apples and pears, I'd say. And then on down the road, we've got about 12 or 14 maybe trees at the old house that we're going to dig up. Some of them are peaches. They may be a little fun to dig. They're about, well, they need to be pruned, but they're about 10-12 foot tall. So hopefully we can get them moved over here, and then that'll be a good addition. So we should have enough to fill at least 1 row of peaches, and then we'll have over there we've got a couple more. Oh yeah, we got to do a row of cherries. But that's what we're working on. That's our progress for the day. Hey girls, making us some eggs. Kids are taking a break. It's kind of hot out here today. The new chicken's out. They even got a whole flock.
They're not new. Their fence is new.
Yeah. Hopefully they're gonna enjoy it. They're enjoying the manure pile with all the worms. So we're gonna plow this side and use it for a garden. And then we're gonna keep the chickens out in here. And we'll probably put up one of our little electric fence rings like that, so we can keep them out in the center. And then use this for garden stuff. And that way we can plant grass everywhere else around.
How come you're not making this straight?
My critic, my favorite critic. So we're about to get finished up out here. Look at how nice. Mama worked hard today, really hard with the kids, and she's sunburnt. She had them working really hard on, oh yeah, we're having some hot dogs. A little bonfire. She worked really hard on getting all the big sticks picked up. The boys are gonna plow, and Jacob's getting the manure spread on this end of the garden. Hopefully that'll make it pretty fertile. Caleb's tractor, as he calls it, has skipped gears a second time today. So you boys should probably block both tires once you chalk both wheels. So have we got it working again?
Yeah.
Alright. Not too bad of a fix, huh?
No, it's, you take the screwdriver
And just pop it back in gear.
just pop it back.
The old Massey Ferguson will do the same thing. It pops out. Remember
Yeah,
that one
what-
time it did?
It doesn't pop out. What it does is whenever you go to change gears, it'll leave the first gear in gear. It'll act like it's changing.
Yeah, and then it pops out. It goes a little bit too far. It's
Yeah.
got some slop in there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Easy fix though. It only takes about 5 minutes to fix.
Got all the chickens out here. Lining out. Mama's lining out. She's got a string line here to make sure that we're getting our rows straight. We're lining out all these trees. Hopefully, I think if we dig up all the trees that we have on the old property and we dig up the ones we had planted already that we put in too close, I think that we're going to have enough for probably close to 1/3 of the orchard. And then that's still going to leave us, oh yeah, getting that manure spread out good. Good job, Jacob. Hopefully that'll take us, this top half we're going to do in the garden, and if we can get it fertile enough, we may have a pretty nice little garden up in here. Well, that's, Dad's got a hot dog. Good job, Isaiah. That's about all for today, guys. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hope y'all's spring is looking bright and beautiful like ours. Have a good day.